There's a good team here, there's a lot of good people.
Close-knit is probably the first thing that comes to mind.
I would describe them as a family-oriented business, a family culture.
I would say like a commercial construction company with heart.
There's a lot of people with a lot of skills. There's a lot that you can learn from your peers.
If I've ever needed assistance with anything, other workers have come to me and helped me out.
I love it. I mean, they treat us well.
It's never the same thing. You go to build something or do something, you have different challenges and different obstacles to overcome and issues to deal with. So that's what makes our job kind of fun.
They make it enjoyable.
There's not too many companies you get the same benefits, bonuses, the clothing allowance, extra days off.
Great company to work for. I like being here. It's a great job.
After all the hard work, you can step back and see what you did and all the effort that you put in.
Hainer Hoyt has been very generous, and I've enjoyed working with Hainer Hoyt the past 15 years, and I look forward to being with Hainer Hoyt for many more beyond that.